You guys know what's a vacuum?
Vacuum.
फेस वाला वैक्यूम क्लीनर वाला
सारे ले लो सारे ले लो सारे ले लो
I told you that you're not supposed
This is
to
not GK, this is just one question. Vacuum की spelling क्या होती है?
VAQUM.
हैं? ये क्यों है? Vacuum.
VACCUM.
Vacuum.
VACCUM. I've been a science student all my life. I've been writing this on the exams.
गलत लिख देते थे.
Oh, this is the reason I'm in commerce now.
तो क्या होती है vacuum की correct spelling? बताओ यार.
VACCUM something. Yeah, that she's correct.
VACCUM.
Yes. Wait, can I write it?
VACCUME होता है.
VACCWM.
VACCUM.
VACCUM.
Okay.
That's fine. VACCUM.
VACCUM.
I don't even
तीनों
know.
सही है या तीनों गलत?
तीनों ही गलत है.
गलत है?
आप बताओ.
I was editor in chief of my school newspaper. I did not answer that
This is so
question.
basic.
VAC. VACC. हाँ.
It's not double C. VACWM.
VA. Right? फिर से बोलो.
Actually, I'm confused. There is W.
अच्छा W.
Yeah.
अच्छा single C लग रहा है double C लग रहा है.
There is a single C and W.
I think it's VACUUM. Yeah, VACUUM.
VACWM.
WM, okay.
VACWM.
यही है. So instead of double C it's W.
No.
करो Google करो.
Is it? Let me try.
Go ahead. I hope your internet works.
Yes.
VACCUM and it is there on Google.
If you search it again, you'll find it. It's double. Just do it right away. Feel free. वही है ना?
It's VACWM.
VACWM.
Whereas you are not so convinced, you feel that it could be double C.
It can be.
This is the reason I'm in
But you
commerce.
said instead of C.
Double C. I said instead of double C, it's double.
W.
VACCUM.
Now I know I lost marks.
Peer pressure.
Okay, move to the next question. So there's this guy. He's saying that is it okay to check out girls while your girlfriend is not around you?
No, it's not good. He does.
Actually, I am not that boyfriend.
He's only my friend.
हाँ तो अच्छी बात है.
I don't know any reason why he can't check them out when the girlfriend is there with him.
Yeah.
Can you repeat the question?
Because
Is
you.
it okay to check out girls
Is it
when your
okay to check
girlfriend's not around?
अगर वो उसका आंखों से एकदम पूरा अंदर बलात्कार कर देगा तो ऑब्वियसली बुरा ही लगेगा. लेकिन if नॉर्मली अगर देख रहा है कि अच्छी चीज़ है तो इट्स ओके.
किसी को शुगर है तो ये आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि आप शुगर शॉप पे मत जाओ. Obviously, you can go to sugar shop.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
अगर लड़कियों के लिए ओके तो ऑब्वियसली लड़कों के लिए तो
Girls can also check out.
और सुंदर चीज दिखने के लिए बनी होती है.
Yeah, it looks pretty good because the checking out the girls and it seems like what kind of a thing you can get from your girlfriend out with.
It's good. It's a good thing. You get to know so many people and you get to know how girls really look like. So it's a good thing.
we're just checking out. We're not planning to do anything with them.
It's all cool. Yeah, as long as he's just checking her out. Yeah.
How do you know like okay that's the limit? I should not cross my limit.
देखिए अगर आप नोटिस कर रहे हैं दैट देयर इज अ थिंग कॉल्ड ब्यूटी सो यू कैन एडमायर अ ब्यूटी बट द स्टेयरिंग इज एक्चुअली बैड.
You have your own limits, है ना? तो किसी को साइड करना क्या कोई ये नहीं कर सकते वो नहीं कर सकते. It's not in a relationship. What you want is you should be loyal. Your girlfriend should be loyal.
Yeah, if you have a girlfriend that she's not like too hot and she's not dressing up properly, so you can just check it out that girl and let her know about your girlfriend that she can do like this and all.
Admire other girls.
Yeah, admire other girls to just to
See your
check.
girlfriend in there.
Yeah, like them themselves.
दूसरी अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को देखो और दूसरी लड़कियों में.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है नहीं मतलब उनको देख के अपनी को सुधारना चाहिए अपने एटलीस्ट.
अच्छा उसको अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड अच्छा दूसरे लड़के हॉट है.
So
अच्छा
basically-
हेयर स्टाइल है.
अच्छा इस स्टाइल है that you know just judge your girlfriend from that point of view and just get them appropriate on that part.
आपको बॉदर करेगा अगर आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड किसी और को चेक आउट कर रही है? नहीं करेगा. इवन इफ यू आर
I'll be glad क्यों कर रही है.
देख सकते हो.
क्योंकि शुगर वाले एग्जांपल से तो यही लग रहा है.
There's a difference between ताड़ना and देखना. There's a difference between ताड़ना and देखना. You can see, but ताड़ना नहीं होता.
भी यही इम्प्लीमेंट करते हो.
Not certainly, not myself, not on myself.
लड़कियां भी क्या गलत नजर से लड़कों को चेकआउट करती हैं?
All the time.
Obviously, all the time. Relationship or no
We're always
relationship.
scanning the road for good guys.
Do you check out guys
Yeah,
when your boyfriend
sure.
is not around you?
I can check out with him also.
With him also.
I don't. I don't.
When he or what if you know when he's not
I
around?
hardly like any
No,
guys.
she's
so
telling
I
the
don't.
truth.
Obviously.
And then your boyfriend stays fine.
They
with
don't
that.
mind.
They don't mind.
I
I
think
wouldn't
they
know, but
And even you guys would be fine like if your boyfriend check out some other girls.
men are men. Okay, you cannot stop anyone that don't check out girls, even when I'm with you or I'm not with you.
Is it
I cannot
human
stop him from
tendency?
doing that. Yeah, I cannot stop him from doing that. So somewhere I have to accept
You
it.
have adjusted.
Yeah.
Or we're moving to the next question. So recently I had a very bad haircut, and because of which
We all have very bad haircut.
यार मेरे हेयर खुद लॉस हो रहा है, मुझे लड़की नहीं मिल रही है, मैं क्या बताऊँ.
बट अनलकी है ये लड़का यार, इसकी गर्लफ्रेंड ने इसको छोड़ दिया है.
For a bad ugly haircut.
Exactly.
No, that's not good.
She's gonna leave you for your haircut. She's not worth it.
Yeah. मैं भी कर दूंगी.
क्यों?
मैं अपने बंदे को ले करके जाऊंगी. भाई तुम मुझसे पूछ लो कैसा हेयर कट चाहिए. That's just like
Quite
stupid.
shallow.
Yeah.
Quite shallow.
It's not at all an excuse to break up.
ये तो बहुत awkward
लग रहा है जो ऐसा excuse.
No, ये कोई I think वो मौका ढूंढ रही थी.
If this is the case, then I guess he's the lucky one because she tells me तुम बार्बर के यहाँ जाओ और वो कटोरा कट कटा लो, एकदम छोटे छोटे बाल है ना.
इधर से कट लगा लिया, साइड से बाल उड़ाड़ लिया. नहीं.
बॉस गर्लफ्रेंड चेंज करो.
बंदी वर्थ नहीं थी क्या, हेयर कट के लिए छोड़ दिया. हाँ.
No, my boyfriend, he has it all the time, and I don't stop talking to him.
That's what?
A
Ugly
very,
haircut?
very, very bad hair he has.
I'll move on. I don't give a fuck about the girl who doesn't give a fuck about my haircut.
See, I'm not saying that it won't be. Even if it's like horrible, you're not supposed to break up with that guy.
You're not supposed to break up.
Yeah, that doesn't call for a dumping. I mean, that's just.
I mean the hair will grow out eventually.
That's what I don't understand.
It's temporary.
Not, yeah, it's not irrevocable. It's
Certainly
not.
you won't ever dump your boyfriend if he had a...
They've had very bad.
No.
No.
तुम बार्बर के यहाँ जाओ और वो कटोरा कट कटा लो, एकदम छोटे छोटे बाल है ना. प्लीज यार वाला
नहीं करवाना.
नहीं वैसे ही कटाओ. तो अभी तो हम हेयर
That's good. No girl will look at him. No girl will look at him. She should be
Tabhi.
happy for that. She should be happy.
You think you can dump your girlfriend?
भाई मेरे तो बाल ही नहीं है, मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. मैं तो कुछ कह ही नहीं सकता यार.
No, because she just had one, a very bad.
No, I did not have a bad haircut.
This is a pretty nice.
Thank you so much.
गर्लफ्रेंड ही नहीं मिल रही, बता रहा हूँ मैं, इस वजह से हेयर लॉस की वजह से.
चलो नेक्स्ट टाइम आपका ये प्रॉब्लम हम लोगों से पूछेंगे. Okay, so tell me honestly that how many of you thought that the correct spelling of vacuum is VACCUM? सच्ची बताना नीचे लिख के, ठीक है? और गूगल पे चेक किया था या नहीं किया था? और यहाँ पे क्लिक करो और मुझे ये बताओ दैट इस बंदे की जिसकी गर्लफ्रेंड ने उसको डंप कर दिया बिकॉज ऑफ हेयर स्टाइल, उसने क्या ठीक किया या नहीं किया? यहाँ पे क्लिक करके मुझे ज़रूर बताना. एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू फॉलो अस ऑन आवर इंस्टाग्राम पेज to see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot. And guys, we're very close to reach the mark of 4 lakh subscribers. So हमें हेल्प करो और हमें सपोर्ट करो. तो ये जो नीचे सर्कल अपीयर कर रहा है ना, इसको प्लीज़ क्लिक करो, क्विक रिएक्शन टीम को सब्सक्राइब करो और हमें हेल्प करो. और ये वाले वीडियोस भी ज़रूर देख लेना, ठीक है गाइस? मैं अब चलता हूँ, बाय.